Well, here I am on a Friday evening figuring out of how I'm gonna fix my friend's Christmas village. So after replacing the fried brains, it was time to drive over to his house and start the installation. So we crawled behind the TV stand to plug in, hopefully the connectors for the last time. Then the moment of truth was finally there. We grabbed the USB-C power cable and plugged it in. It just worked. And oh boy, what were we happy that we could adjust the brightness of each channel to really dial in the perfect atmosphere for the village. And as icing on the cake, the day-night level switching worked perfectly. Here's a demonstration of the village adjusting its brightness when my friend is activating the chill lighting in his living room. Now let's have a look at the dynamic elements in his village. The church and the red light district. So this is the final part of the Christmas light controller project. I hope you like the results. My friend and I are still stunned by the liveliness of the village. Please leave your thoughts on how you think this project came out in the comments down below. Thank you all for watching, and remember, just try to DIY.